Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Cairns. I am from Lebanon, Pennsylvania, just about 30 minutes away from Hershey Park, Chocolate World, all that good stuff. Some of my recent work experience include being a PCA, a personal care assistant for the Lancaster Lebanon IU13 in a multiple disabilities room. I was a TSS for TW Panessa, and my most current position is as a behavior technician for the Vista School in Hershey, which is a school that serves individuals with moderate to severe autism. I graduated in December with my undergrad, my bachelor's in social work, as well as applied disability studies. Something personal about myself is that I'm a big sports junkie. I love all things Philadelphia, huge fan. I love watching The Office, as well as spending time with my family and friends and being outside, going on hikes, fishing, those kinds of things. I am very, very excited to start this program. This has been a goal of mine for quite some time. I'm a little anxious, to begin and get to know everyone, but ultimately I'm super excited to start this journey.